the next level. And then, yun nga, sabi ni Lord, this is the right time. And we want to thank Ms. Camille and the whole production people of Wattpad for this opportunity para magkatrabaho kami. And ayun, so here it goes. Last February 12, we got married secretly. So marami nagtatanong, and hindi namin alam yung sasabihin namin kasi lagi kami tinatanong kailan kayo magpapakasal. Tapos hindi ko lang masabi na actually kasal na kami. Pero naghahanap lang kami ng right time to tell everyone. And ayun, okay ka na. Nanginginig daw siya. Ayun, nangyari sa with the help of our Christian family sa Victory Green Hills, San Juan. Nagkaroon kami ng napaka-intimate at napaka-small na gathering. Maliit na ceremony. Very, intimate lang, family and a few friends. Actually, marami pa po kami mga kaibigan na hindi nakakaalam sa nangyari. At, ano ba? Gusto ko magpasalamat sa TV5. Yun, TV5, thank you po. Despite the fact na napakabiglaan itong announcement namin, okay lang kila Miss Wilma, kila Miss Camille, ang aming production unit head, and thank you for supporting us and understanding, for taking this opportunity talaga para maging sobrang memorable. Kasi para sa akin, sobrang memorable nitong guesting namin sa Wattpad. And maraming salamat sa aming handler, Ate Beth, and kay Direk Manny Valera for understanding din. Kasi wala rin sila nung aming kasal. So, ayun, maraming salamat. And syempre kay Lord, maraming salamat kay Lord. Kasi kung hindi dahil kay Lord, hindi namin magagawa to. I think it is our obligation din na parang i-share din yung good news kasi sa lahat ng tao na without God, hindi kami may inspire to do this and to love each other more at dalhin sa ganitong level yung relationship namin. So, Be, ikaw naman. Sorry ha, kasi kinakabahan ko ako din eh. Be, may sasabihin ka ba?
Ano po? Hindi, parang, ano ba yung
Kuya, huwag naman tumayo, kuya.
Siguro, it took us this long lang siguro to admit because it's hard kasi to speak about marriage nang magkahiwalay kasi kaming dalawa. We all know naman na we're both from different networks. So pag ganun yung tanong, pag mag-isa kasi ako, ang hirap kasing bitawan na opo, wala naman siya. Gusto talaga sana nga namin sooner, although hindi lang talaga kami mabigyan ng chance. And at the same time, I don't see it appropriate naman para magpa-press con pa just to announce. Kasi hindi naman kami talagang big stars as individuals. So parang hindi ko naman alam if may something ba or gusto ba nila malaman yung mga ganun. But I'm just so thankful talaga. Thank you so much, TV5, for this opportunity. Kagabi lang po namin sila na-inform about this. So, it wasn't planned. It wasn't, bigyan natin sila, like, for example, gawin natin itong jeepney para makapag-admit na sila. So, hindi. So, thankful talaga ako kay Lord kasi talagang gumawa talaga siya ng paraan din. And ako talaga, I really want to share kasi it's a good news. Parang there's nothing to be ashamed of. And I'm so proud kasi of my husband talaga. Kasi at his... for his age, diba? He's only 26 years old. So, pero nag-lay down siya ng ganung intentions niya sa akin, not because he is confident of financial stability, not because of he thinks he's mature enough, but because my husband talaga, his faith talaga comes from the Lord that he can be a man of a household at his age. So, thank you talaga, Lord. Ikaw na talaga yan!
Sa ako din kasi, I always see my friends, kasi may mga friends na ako from our Victory Green Hills community na they're proud of their wives, they're bragging about their wives, so sobrang blessed sila. And ako naiinggit ako kasi gusto ko din ipakilala sa buong mundo yung asawa ko. At yung wife ko na sobrang blessed ako sa wife ko. And ayun lang. So thank you guys for being here and being part of our life in this ayan. Maraming salamat po. Sana naiintindihan nyo.
What can we say but congratulations and kiss. Request now.